The Law Society of Zimbabwe has issued a warning to married couples in the country, urging them to carefully review their marriage certificates. The reason for this concern is the discovery of a significant discrepancy that affects certificates issued after September 2022. It has been revealed that these certificates may be considered null and void due to referencing an outdated law. In May 2022, President Emerson Mnangagwa enacted the Marriages Act, Chapter 5, Section 17, a new law that brought about substantial changes to Zimbabwe's marriage legislation. The previous Marriage Act, Chapter 5, Section 11, and Customary Marriages Act, Chapter 5, Section 7, were repealed as part of this update. The new law introduced civil partnerships, qualified civil marriages, and recognized unregistered customary law unions as valid marriages. It also introduced criminalization of marriages involving individuals under the age of 18 and specified that marriages can only occur between men and women who are 18 years or older. However, while the law itself underwent updates, the physical marriage certificates remained unchanged. Consequently, couples who obtained marriage certificates after September 2022 unknowingly possess certificates that incorrectly cite the repealed Chapter 5, Section 11 of the marriage law. Edward Mapara, the executive secretary of the Law Society of Zimbabwe, issued a public notice urging couples to rectify this error promptly. Couples are advised to bring their incorrect certificates to Mr. Mpala at the Registrar General's office for amendment. The Law Society of Zimbabwe has emphasized the significance of correcting these certificates, as a defective certificate could create complications when seeking a divorce. The revelation of the defective marriage certificates has understandably caused panic and concern among couples who got married after September 2022. Legal experts and marriage counselors have expressed worry about the potential consequences of this oversight. The uncertainty surrounding the validity of their marital status has left many couples feeling anxious and uncertain about their rights and legal protections. Family law lawyers have stressed the urgent need to rectify the defective certificates in order to ensure compliance with legal requirements and protect the rights and interests of married couples. Legal expert Aaron Hamaswa has highlighted the potential consequences of leaving the information on the marriage certificate uncorrected. It could render the marriage null and void under the laws of Zimbabwe. The impact of this mistake is likely to affect a significant number of couples who got married with the intention of relocating together or making important life decisions based on their marital status. Rectifying the certificates, however, is not without challenges. Couples will have to navigate logistical and bureaucratic hurdles to correct the erroneous information. In addition to addressing the issue of defective certificates, the new Marriage Act introduced other significant changes. It grants equal rights to girlfriends and women in registered unions in cases of marriage dissolution or the death of a husband. The law also recognizes civil partnerships, which are distinct from marriages but are now acknowledged for property sharing. This is a departure from the previous Marriage Act, which treated civil marriages differently upon divorce. The new law ensures that all types of marriages are treated equally, granting Zimbabweans in various marital arrangements greater rights when it comes to inheriting property. The discovery of the defective marriage certificate serves as a stark reminder of the importance of accurate documentation and compliance with updated laws. Couples who find themselves affected by this issue are strongly advised to take immediate action to rectify their certificates. Seeking legal advice in this matter can provide guidance and assurance during the process. It is crucial for couples to ensure that their marriage certificates accurately reflect the current legal framework to safeguard their rights and protect their future plans.